Here we go on another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. This time we're doing Canteen Cup Tuesday, remote Canteen Cup Tuesday, because we're on an island in the middle of the Indian River in South Brevard County. So this is where me and Trailblazer Tim live, and we rode the kayaks out here. And the selection today is going to be an interesting one. I've been thinking about this for a while. It's going to be some easy bean soup, and not really very many ingredients, and you don't need to refrigerate anything, and it sounds great. I don't know how it's going to look, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we need obviously is some beans, and we have some great northern beans, but you know, any beans will work. Navy beans, lima beans, stuff like that. What we're going to do is we're going to open this can with the P38 can opener, and this should be an experience. So let's open this sucker. Man, look at that bean juice. Oh, this is gonna be great. Okay, now on to number 2. All right, what we got here is we got one slice of bacon. And it is looking pretty good. We're just gonna chunk it in our canteen cup here. I'm gonna kind of break it apart a little bit. It's all folded up. Just gonna throw it in our canteen cup. I'm gonna cook up some bacon. Oh man, it's gonna be good. Ooh, and we are already sizzling. Man, turn that down a little bit. Oh, there's nothing better than bacon, man. All right, I'm gonna cook up this bacon, and I'm gonna use the grease and the drippings and stuff for the next part. Okay. Wow, our bacon. Ooh, look at that, dude. All right, now we got some bacon, and we got some bits, and we got some oil. We're gonna take our bacon out. Just put it in the pan. Now we don't need the stove right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our beans over. I'm gonna drain the bean juice in here, because we're gonna make a little roux. That's a roux. That's what Louisiana Cajun boys say. We're gonna make the roux. Bam! Bam! Kick it up. Emerald, we're gonna kick this up a notch too, man. Watch this. Watch this. No, this is great. Put ourselves some beans in there. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna crush up these beans. Kind of make our bean soup gravy. Oh yeah, look at that. We are crushing up the beans. Ooh, it's almost soup right now. All right. Okay, those are all crushed up. Make the soup, make the juice. We got the juice in there. Now, let's get on the rest of it. All right. We got the roux, it's looking good. We're gonna put the roux over there. And now we got a couple of carrots and half a potato. Hey man, you got your knife? All right, I forgot my knife. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these carrots up all at once. See if we can do this. Little carrot. Oh yeah. It's just kind of like following my Depression era stuff, because you know, all we're doing is a carrot, a piece of bacon, and we're just gonna chunk up a half a potato in small chunks. Let's see if I can do this without cutting my fingers, which would not be good. All right, we are ready. Now, That's gonna go in our bean soup. So let's start putting all this together. All right, let's get this together. We got the roux. Now we're just gonna add the rest of the beans. Man, that's a lot of beans. I'm gonna add enough gas to get back on.
Way back to shore.
Yeah, and we're just gonna put the bacon in here, like this. Easily recreatable on the trail. Easily. Man, that is getting good. We're gonna throw our carrots in here. We're gonna throw our chunked up potatoes in here. And we're gonna stir it up, get some of them beans in there. We gotta have a little bit of water to make the soup part. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, look at this. All right, now we're gonna turn this on low heat and we're gonna heat it up and we are gonna have some easy bean soup. All right, here we go. Let's open the stove up. Ooh, okay, there we go. Get our canteen cup on here. Oh man, look at that bean soup goodness in there. All right. I'm gonna heat this up. Put a little salt and pepper. And then the final ingredients. And we are done. And let me tell you, that's good cold. You could eat this just like this right now. You don't really have to heat it up, but it's gonna be so much better when I heat it up. Just put our little top on there, then we'll come back when it's hot. All right, here we go. Let's check it. Oh man, with smoke in. Oh man, let's taste it. Holy mackerel, that's good. We're gonna let this simmer as low as we can in the bean juice, and then it's gonna be ready. All right, let's see. Oh man, look at this bean soup. Oh, it smells great. Let's taste it. It's gonna be real hot. Man, it's starting to get good. That bean juice in there and those crushed up beans made that little roux. And we got some potatoes and carrots and a piece of bacon. And you can see this makes almost a whole canteen cup full. So we're just gonna turn this off the fire now and let it sit for a few minutes, because that's when it gets good. So it's totally turned off. We're gonna let it sit and then we're gonna come back and finish this off. All right, here's me and Tim's little spot. Kayaks in the background. There's Tim. Man, we do it upright, you know. Bring all of our stuff.
Whatever will fit on the kayak. Got
our hot sauce, everything else. Gotta have that. All right, let's check this bean soup. All right, let's see what we got here. It's been sitting for about 15 minutes. Oh man. Oh, this looks great. God, it's really hot. All right, now, needs a little something. And I got a little something brought along. First of all, we got a little salt and pepper. That's going in. That should liven it up a little bit. Now, what would it be without some good old Louisiana hot sauce? You all know me, just a drop. All right. Oh, let's try this. Oh man, that's good. Oh man, we got the beans and the potatoes. carrots. Look at that, we got little carrots. All right. Oh man, that is so hot. That is so good. This was really easy. All we did is use a can of Great Northern beans. We cooked a piece of bacon up to get the bacon grease and the bacon. And then we used the bean juice, made a little roux with the beans and kind of let that sit. And then we mixed it up with some salt and pepper, a couple little carrots, and half a potato. And then we brought it to a boil. And we snapped the top on, and I let that sucker sit for about 15 minutes, and now it's ready to go. And this is really, really hot. I'm gonna have to let it cool. Oh, it's so good. Easy bean soup. Can really easily recreate this on the trail. Me and Tim are out on the island, Spoil Island, in the middle of the Indian River, and it's a wonderful morning, not a cloud in the sky, porpoises porpoising, birds birding, boats boating, all that kind of stuff. So, until next time, this is Matt the old Florida boy, and I will see you on the trail.